Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to show you how to duplicate discussion boards if you're using a shell. For instance, I have one shell for 3 different sections of my English 110 course, and per FERPA regulations, if we're combining discussion boards, we cannot do that anymore. We have to divide them or break them up based on sections so that we do meet the FERPA regulations. So I'm going to show you here how to do that. So if you take a look here, first draft of compare and contrast essay for your peer review, notice that I have section 20264 here. That's just for me to know. You can title this anything you want. But let's click on this. So my peer revisings occur in the discussion boards. Again, I use discussion boards for different purposes. And when we come down here, well, let me edit first, excuse me. When you come down to the part here, again here, excuse me, notice that I assign the point value, and then the assignment group. I can use this for a discussion board if I want. However, I'm using this discussion board just as the platform in order to do their peer revising. And then here, assign to. Usually this says everyone, but since FERPA and I have 3 sections, we have to do it based on each section so the students can't see each other. And then the due date is March 14th. So I'm going to save this, and then I'm going to go out and show you how to duplicate. This warning here is because I used this for 264, the computer's like, well, wait, what about 266 and 268? They're just giving you a warning here. Just click continue. All right. Let me go back to the week 4 module. Now, what I'm going to do is I want to create a duplicate of this for 266 and 268. So come over here. Let me drag this over a little for you. Click duplicate. And then click duplicate again. Notice that they both say 264 copy, 264 copy 2. We're going to change those as we assign it to this different sections. So let's click here, or actually let's just go right into it. Let's go into the assignment. Let's click edit. The first thing I want to do is click here and put, this is going to be 266. Come down here. Now, assign, we want to assign, add. We want to assign this to, we've already assigned it to 264, so let's assign it to 266. The due date is the 14th, and then we'll click save. Again, it's giving us the warning. So 64 we've already done, 68 we're going to do next, so we're okay here. I like the warning though. Perfect. This is good. Let's go back to the week 4 module. I could have actually hit next to go to the next discussion board, but that's okay. Oops. Excuse me, guys. So now I have 264, 266. This one's going to become 268. So again, click on it. Hit edit. Change the title. 268. Come down here. What do we have to do? We have to add section 268. Notice it's not showing 268, but if I cheat a little bit, I click here and then it brings it up. Or you can type it in if you want, and then I just get rid of the 264. Okay, let's due date is the 14th. And then let's save it. Again, it's giving us the warning. Click continue. Okay, let's go back to the week 4 module and let's take a bird's eye view of what we have now. I should have closed that module first. Sorry about that. So, first draft for 264, 266, 268. Now remember, I am in the teacher view, so the students won't see this. So if you have 20264, I don't think that's confusing to them. I used to just keep this, then copy 2, and then some of the students were like, well, what's copy and copy 2? So I just put the section there. You can label them any way you want. So when the students come in, if I'm in 264, this is all they will see. If I'm in, et cetera, you guys get the point. So, all right, and then here for discussion board, this is just another way that I use the discussion board. So what I would do is looking for a partner. For the first essay, I like the students to work together. This way they can help each other. However, if they're looking for a partner, I create 3 of these, but they say find a partner to 20264, 266, 268. This way their partner has to be in their section and nobody's mixing up, and this follows the FERPA regulations as well. Okay, I hope this helped, and good luck. Thank you.